For all crypto staking fans, I have brought you some massive news that can potentially earn you a substantial amount of money. However, before we delve into the details, kindly subscribe and enable the notification bell for more updates on crypto airdrops. Without any further delay, let's jump right into it. Pendle V2 has recently launched a new airdrop system for all crypto stakers. If you currently hold stake tokens or possess any liquid stake tokens LRTS, you have a significant chance to claim Pendle tokens. Here's how it works. If, for example, you have $100 worth of staked ETH, you will receive $10 worth of Pendles. I believe this presents a great opportunity for all crypto enthusiasts to boost their portfolios. You can check your eligibility through the link provided in the description. For those unfamiliar with this project, Pendle is a protocol that enables the tokenization and trading of future yield. With the creation of a novel AMM that supports assets with time decay, Pendle empowers users to have more control over future yield by providing optionality and opportunities for its utilization. On the technical side, based on our current Pendle price prediction, the price of Pendle is expected to rise by 228.44% and reach $10.61 by September 23, 2024. According to our technical indicators, the current sentiment is neutral, while the fear and greed index shows 56, greed. Pendle has recorded 12 out of 30, 40%, green days with a 16.70% price volatility over the last 30 days. Based on the Pendle forecast, now is a good time to buy Pendle. That concludes today's video. If you find this information useful, please don't hesitate to share it with your friends.